hey everybody, welcome.
Hi.
Yes, I'm Jody.
And I'm Bright.
And we thought it would be a fun thing for us to cook together, bake actually, because when we were getting to know each other, one of the first things we bonded on was food.
So one of the first things that actually I had gotten into over the past year was Great British Bake Off. And when I came to see you in January or last year, we were talking about
We
were talking about Great British Bake Off and all of the fun behind the scenes things. And I said that I actually never really baked a lot. And so Jody was like, we have to bake. So here we are.
So yeah, that's kind of how this idea came about. Today we're doing chocolate chip cookies.
Yes.
So I have got everything kind of all pre-measured here. So Bright's gonna help put things together. First step is we need to cream the sugars and butter. We have a half a cup each of brown sugar and regular granulated sugar.
The only thing that I really have experience cooking in my family is dumplings. And whenever we make dumplings, it's always like a whole family affair. And this part is always done already, like my mom always has the filling mixed up. And my dad always is the one who makes the dough. And then the two of us, my brother and I will come in and help with the stuffing of the dough and the creation of the dumplings. And this is like exactly like that. We would use chopsticks instead of spoons, and we just wrap it into the wrapper. My mom, when I was growing up, also we were not really good at making dumplings in the first, probably honestly the first 20 years of my life. And
well, practice makes perfect.
Yeah, and my mom would have this thing that we would call a dumpling hospital, where if ever I overstuffed a wrapper, or if I had not enough stuffing, we would I'll do that. We would give it to my mom, and then she would just fix it. And look at that early exposure to medicine.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy other desserts growing up, or what other things?
Yeah, brownies, donuts. Remember the Hostess chocolate donuts?
Yes. Same. I think growing up, desserts were always the things that was most lacking in my childhood. So I think because of that, I have a unusual predilection for.
Are we good? We got the clean bowl.
We're as clean as I think it'll get.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep.
After the longest minute in the world, now we're gonna wait an even longer time for these cookies to cool.
Okay, so let's dig in.
There we have it. Oh wow, these cookies look so good. Wow.
Still warm, chewy.
Oh, here we go. I'm gonna be the British Bake Off chefs. It's a good size.
Indeed.
It has proofed long enough.
Yeah, check it out. I mean,
they're so good, and it's the homemade factor. There you have it, YouTube.
Yes.
Chocolate chip cookies.
More cookie? More cookie? Good boy. Well, thank you so much for today.
Of course.
It was fun.
Thank you.
Good boy. I'm having a cookie. This is lunch.